Baby Einstein presents Baby Joshua Finding Daisy.
During his time at the studio, Joshua the elephant, who recently ran away at baby Einstein him, but the questions where Daisy said Joshua has been thinking about his friend's Daisy. Order to get him back, order to get him back, order to get him back, order to get him back. Joshua tries son and think we went elephant. Joshua found a monkey next. Have you seen my Daisy? Joshua asked. No. Joshua found a parrot next. Have you seen my Daisy? Joshua asked. No. Joshua found a rhinoceros, red-corned crane and cat stripes. Have you seen my Daisy? No. Joshua found a grizzly next. Have you seen my Daisy? Joshua asked. Yes. On their way they managed to find Daisy in the rock.